Apache Maven using for creating Java projects and supported Ruby projects. Apache Maven setup before install in your PC and laptop. Java JDK latest version. After installation completed, installed version Java checking process. Windows search box lo CMD type. First one, command prompt. Select, enter the text command Java space ---- version. Enter key press. Installed latest version Java 24.0.1. Release date year 2025, 4th month, 15th date. Build version display. Command prompt window close. Browser open. Search box lo Maven download enter. Enter key press. Maven-apache.org download. Download Apache Maven-Maven. First link, mouse left click. Maven.apache.org official redirectory web page complete display. Downloading Apache Maven latest version 3.9.9. Second one, system requirements. First, install Java Development Kit JDK. Above version JDK 8 supported. Second one, memory default, no minimum requirement. Third one, disk minimum space 10 MB. Operating system supported OS Linux and Windows. Batch files. Mouse scroll down. Second one, binary zip archive. Link section lo Apache-Maven- latest version 3.9.9-bin. Second link, mouse left click. Download section lo Apache Maven related bin.zip file. Downloading process start. File size 8.8 MB. Wait and here few seconds until process completing. Completed. Next, setup process. Right side first icon, show in folder icon click. Downloads folder lo Apache Maven bin related zip file display. Mouse right click. Extract all option select. First button extract click. Extracting process start 0 to 100% completing. Wait and here. Folder display. Mouse right click. First icon cut click. Left side this PC option select. First one, new volume C, select and open. Mouse right click. Paste first icon click. Mouse right click. Third icon rename click. Unnecessary text remove. Delete key press. Maven enter. Enter key press. Open the folder. First folder bin open. Address bar top section lo mouse left click. Mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Browser minimize. Windows search box lo environment variable enter. First option edit the system environment variable. Select. System properties window lo last button environment variables click. Second option system variables section lo already created Java path. First button new click. First option variable name enter. Mouse left click. Maven underscore home. Variable value. Mouse left click. Right click. Paste click. OK click. Mouse scroll down. Path option select. Second button edit click. Right side first button new click. Mouse right click. Paste select. OK click. OK click and OK click. Apache Maven setup successful. Checking process. Windows search box lo CMD type. First one, command prompt select. Enter the text command mvn space ---- version. Enter key press. Apache Maven 3.9.9 default path. C. Newly created folder Maven, and installed Java JDK latest version 24.0.1.